Today you'll learn how to add a leather jacket to your Grip6 wallet. So Grip6 wallets come in a box like this. Pop them out. We've got your single wallet, and then we've got a jacket. Pull out. Okay, so putting the leather jacket onto the wallet, you really just want to squeeze down this lever to kind of get it out of the way, and then slide it on about like this. The leather jacket was made to fit really snugly, so it might be a little bit of friction pushing it on, but essentially you can squeeze that and slowly work it on. But once it's on, it fits in there really well, comes right around this edge. And yeah, there it is, looks nice. Two things I like about the leather jacket and why I use it as my daily carry. Number one, it's got a great look and feel. And number two, it's expandable. I stick cash on one side and extra cards on the other side. That's it, head over to grip6.com and get yours today.